Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is dancing. Dancing, as an A1 level noun, refers to the activity of moving your body to music. It's a fun and expressive way to enjoy yourself, and it's found in cultures all over the world. We use the word dancing in everyday language to talk about going to parties, taking lessons, or simply enjoying music at home. For example, you might say, "I love dancing at weddings," or "She's taking dancing classes on Tuesdays." Let's explore some synonyms for dancing. One synonym is ballroom. Ballroom refers specifically to formal dancing, often with partners. For example, they met at a ballroom competition. Another synonym is disco. Disco describes dancing in a nightclub setting, usually to popular music. For instance, "Let's go disco dancing tonight." We can also use the word jiving. Jiving is a lively type of dancing, often associated with the 1950s. We could say, "The band played a jiving tune, and everyone started dancing." Another option is hopping. Hopping means informal and energetic dancing. An example is, "Teenagers were hopping at the school event." One more is grooving. Grooving means moving rhythmically to music. She was grooving to the music, playing on the radio. Now, let's consider some antonyms, words with opposite meanings to dancing. One antonym is sitting. Sitting means being in a resting position on a chair or the floor. Instead of dancing, he was sitting and watching. Another antonym could be standing. Standing refers to being upright on your feet and not moving. For example, "The teacher was standing while the children were dancing." Also, we can use resting. Resting indicates the act of taking a break from activity. After hours of dancing, they were resting on the side. Furthermore, sleeping is a strong antonym. Sleeping is the act of being in a state of rest. While everyone was dancing, the baby was sleeping. Another opposite is working. Working is the act of performing a task and not moving freely to music. She was working at her desk while the others were dancing. Let's look at how we use dancing in everyday life. You might hear someone say, "Are you going to the dancing club tonight?" Which means, are you going to the place where people dance? Or, "She has a passion for dancing," meaning she really loves it. You might also hear, "They won a dancing competition," meaning they were the best dancers in a contest. You can also say, "He started dancing lessons when he was 5 years old," to indicate that he began learning the activity from a young age. Consider, "The music made her want to start dancing," showing how music inspires the activity. Here are a few more usage examples. "The couple's first dancing was beautiful" refers to the beginning of their partner dancing. "She's a professional dancing teacher" highlights her job that relates to the activity of dancing. "We watched a dancing show last night" is a statement about entertainment. "There was lots of dancing at the party" indicates the presence of the activity at the gathering. "I am going to learn how to dancing" describes a personal intention. The dancing was energetic and fun shows quality and entertainment of the activity. "He made a career of dancing" explains how the activity could be one's career. After the class, they practiced the dancing indicates the practice following the class. "The art of dancing is so wonderful" explains its artistic quality. "I admire their elegant dancing" shows the respect for the elegance of dancing. So, to recap, dancing is the activity of moving your body to music. We explored synonyms like ballroom, disco, jiving, hopping, and grooving. We also learned antonyms such as sitting, standing, resting, sleeping, and working. We discussed how dancing is used in various everyday situations and expressions. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you enjoyed learning about the word dancing. If you did, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show and learn English. Also, I'd love to see you use dancing in a sentence. Please share your sentences in the comment section below. We will read some of them in our next episode.
See you next time.